everyone, my name is Julia. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful dress. If you found yourself interested, please stay with me and let's get started. And here I'm trying to show you the dress a little bit so you can understand what you got yourself into. If you're still interested, then continue to watch. I don't know what else to say. To start, we need 2 pieces of fabric, 50 by 50. Then we need to fold it in half and mark the middle part. And leave it aside for now. Now it's time to measure the elastic part. We need about 37 inches of skinny elastic. You can take a little bit more just for security purposes. And now we need to sew the elastic part right in the middle using zigzag stitch. And then whatever you've got, place it on the table, on the floor, whatever you're comfortable to work with, and make some folds how you want your front part to look like. I was using my mock-up that I made previously. I formed it on myself, so I just played with fabric. You can do that too, so it's open to interpretation and imagination. I was using straight stitch to secure the folds. The front is ready, it's time for back part. Here is nothing new. You are very familiar with this pattern as I am, so I just used what I know for this dress. Simply trace it, cut it out, and you basically set. And let me give you some more details about the skirt. I decided to make it flowy, so I simply measured the length of the skirt, made 2 parallel lines. I cut along these lines and I opened them evenly, though the skirt is going to have this flow to it. And I secure everything with tape. Then I measured 2 sides and connect it with a straight line and cut along this line. That's basically it. And as usual, do your best and cut everything out from the fabric that you're going to use. Then we need to pin all the details together and sew. I was using the Avalok imitation stitch as usual. And the final step, we need a strap. Then we're going to connect it to the dress, face it together, and use the narrow zigzag stitch to secure. After it's done, simply flip your strap and secure again with zigzag stitch. That's what I did. And if you're still here with me watching this video, we are at the final line. We just need to connect our front and the back of the dress and sew it together. As usual, I was using overlock imitation stitch for this matter. Also, you can use zigzag stitch for your liking. Wham bam, dress is done. How do you like it? Please leave me a comment. Would you wear it? Would you make it? I would like to know. And little disclaimer here. You don't need to put cherries on the dress if you don't want to. It was just my choice. I decided to do that. But if you want, you will have a tutorial how to make the beaded cherry. So keep watching then. After randomly placing the cherries, I finally decided on the pattern that I wanted to be. Then I sew it. That's it. The dress is done. What do you think? I hope you liked this video. If you do, please leave a comment if you have any suggestion for the next one, or you just want to ask something. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Also, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. That's it. Thank you.